This here is a 2002 Jeep Liberty. I'm doing a replacement of the coolant reservoir. After 20 some years of use, well, first off, it's all cloudy. You never tell exactly what level you're at, because it's really code fill lines right here, and you just can't see. That's one factor. The second factor, it's nice and shiny and new. We always like those things, right? And the main one, which is leaking coolant every now and then, as you can see, or not see, probably, that big crack, right? That's the main thing. Now these are embossed or whatever with copper tubes, so it reinforces the plastic. But still, shit happens. Here's a new one. Ready to go. Beautiful, huh? I don't know. 10mm extension. First, always start them with your hand. And these are nice clean threads, so I'm going to thread it all the way down as far as I can go. There we are. Get you started on that. Pressure on it. Cinch her up. Beautiful. All secure. Alright. Now, this guy's already in. Now all I gotta do is reroute this new hose here. Make sure this guy slides all the way down to the front here. We're in there for now. Alright. Now for the last phase, let's get this guy paid now off the books, just like so. I'm gonna start pulling that motherfucker out. Hopefully you don't got too much shit going on here. Kind of wriggle it back and forth. This is a plastic piece. You do not want to bust it. That's for damn sure. There should be no coolant in this. Bam! Look at that. No coolant. So the first little thing is on the hose itself to hold the final span of this. Now we got one zip tie and the rest are in. Alright, oop, there go. Ooh, that one was all rotten. Huh. Oh. She blew it. Alright, now they're all nice and tucked in there, all away from danger. Alright, now wipe this up. Hold there. So last but not least, I got my guy all the way up. But of course, he's not secure yet because I haven't. Now there's a special tool to do this. But in a pinch, if you don't have a special tool, like that. 10mm deep socket. Oh yeah, it's pretty loose. Let's do like a full turn so far on that one. This guy feels pretty good. These are plastic ears. Now I want to over tighten them. This one feels like it's know what the fuck. Ooh, locking thing. Ain't locking nothing. Fucking can be a messy affair. Look at that shit. Look at how fucking potent that shit is. Just look at it. Transfer, we got brand new coolant going in a brand new area. So check it out. There shouldn't be any leaks going anywhere. Oh yeah. Mountains. Every problem, so we're gonna hurry this up. But everything's looking good because I don't see any leaks. I'm gonna hook it up to the cold fill line and call it a day. Take out our towels. Final touch. Bam. Job well done. Alright, 1 day later, we got our new hose and our fitting, no leaks. To our first clip going here. Do a nice zip ties here, that's where the last one was. It keeps these away from the heat. Routes it on thread, there's 2 more little clips, and comes all the way to our beautiful guy here. And as you can see, nice and clear. We're up nice past the cold fill line, right where it needs to be. Job well done, no leaks. This guy's beautiful and dry down here. I guess that'd be a weak point if somebody is to break, so that's it.